Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find Siri settings on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. So in order to find those settings, we need to, of course, open the settings app. And then in these settings, what you need to do is find Siri, which should be over here. And if you go inside, then you will find a bunch of different options that will allow you to customize Siri. And in addition to that, because that's not all, sometimes you may also be able to find Siri settings in accessibility, not general accessibility. There we go. If you scroll down, then over here in general, there is a chance that you might have Siri settings here as well. And the reason why you might not have those settings in accessibility, like I do right now, then this might be because you didn't activate Siri. So you might need to press and hold the side button for like a second in order to have the Siri try to activate itself. And you will have to pretty much turn it on for the first time. Once you turn it on for the first time, you should be able to find the additional options over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.